Tesco and Stobart Group have a shared vision to develop an integrated UK rail network. By linking UK ports to its national depots by rail, Tesco can ensure delivery for the customer via a network of regional depots. Each and every train removes up to 72 vehicle movements from UK roads, in turn reducing carbon emissions by 80% against equivalent road transport. Rail will increasingly be used by Tesco to move imported products from the Channel Tunnel and ports to its depot network. Tesco's primary distribution department manage the rail network in tandem with its management of road haulage. It coordinates the collection of 45 million pallets per year from 1,300 suppliers across the United Kingdom and Ireland for delivery into their busy network of 26 depots nationwide. Located less than a mile from the M1 motorway at Junction 18, sits the Tesco Daventry campus at the Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal. Containing 5 Tesco depots holding national product ranges for clothing, frozen, direct, general merchandise, and the new Daventry Grocery Depot. All of these service stores throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland. Tesco's transport partner, the Stobart Group, has a further 4 depots situated here. Operating on behalf of other customers, these all have the opportunity to integrate into the daily rail services that operate from Tesco's Daventry Grocery Depot. The recently constructed Daventry Grocery Depot is situated on the West Coast Main Line rail route. This 840,000 square foot purpose-built depot has been developed with an integrated on-site rail terminal. This rail terminal is capable of handling up to 12 trains per day. Using 1.5 kilometers of track, trains are shunted into 3 sections, facilitating the lift and load of up to 720 containers per day by reach stacker. Containers lifted from the train are placed onto skeletal trailers and shunted from the rail terminal into the adjacent depot yard. Here, containers are reversed onto bay, ready for unloading by the warehouse team. Trains deliver store orders of centrally held products to regional depots for subsequent onward delivery to store. Trains also collect inbound supplier deliveries for Tesco primary and Stobart depots, destined for the Daventry campus. New routes are being introduced to Middlesbrough, Widnes, the South West, Dagenham, and an additional Scottish service. Daventry Grocery signifies Tesco's complete and groundbreaking commitment to rail. Removing road miles and decreasing carbon emissions sits at the forefront of Tesco's strong ongoing desire to reduce its environmental impact. The new Daventry Grocery Depot holds 12,000 slow-moving product lines in 100,000 pallet spaces, serving over 2,400 stores throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland, as well as the Tesco direct business. The new Tesco depot will assemble up to 7 million cases per week for delivery to all stores in the United Kingdom and Ireland via 9 regional depots. Once assembled, store deliveries are loaded onto containers and moved a short distance to the on-site rail terminal. Containers are then loaded onto carriages by reach stacker. Each train may contain between 26 and 36 containers, depending on the route volume. Once the loading process is completed, the 3 sections of the train are shunted together and pre-departure checks completed before the train departs the depot. All remaining road movements to regional depots use double-deck trailers, which provide a 60% load fill benefit when compared to conventional 45-foot trailers. The Stobart Group's Widnes Rail Terminal acts as a northern hub for suppliers located in the Liverpool and Manchester conurbations to transfer freight onto rail for movements either north to Scotland, south to Daventry, London or the Channel Tunnel. The rail terminal plays an important role in the Tesco rail network vision. Located next to Tesco's Widnes Fresh Foods depot, arriving trains are unloaded using gantry cranes. Having lifted the containers onto skeletal trailers, they are shunted by road on a half-a-mile journey to the new trunking station situated in the Tesco depot. Containers are unloaded and consolidated for onward delivery to store. In 2006, Stobart Rail introduced a new Tesco train service operating between Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal and Moss End. In 2011, this service was transferred to Tesco's new Daventry Grocery Depot. This 32-carriage train service moves centrally held products to Scotland. Operating 6 days a week, this removes 6 million road miles per annum. On arrival at Moss End, containers are loaded onto skeletal trailers. They are then either shunted by road to Livingston Depot or directly to stores as full load deliveries. At Livingston, containers are unloaded to be consolidated with orders already assembled at the regional depot for onward delivery to stores. Containers are also used for the furthest deliveries in the Scottish Highlands and Islands. These are shunted by road back to the Moss End terminal and reloaded onto an Inverness-bound train. Operating since 2008, the 6 days a week service removes 40 road vehicles per day, the equivalent to 2 million miles per annum from our roads, substantially relieving the heavily congested A9 route. On arrival at the Inverness rail terminal, containers are unloaded onto skeletal trailers for onward delivery to store by road. At the store, containers are unloaded and products moved to the shop floor for stock replenishment, ensuring availability of products for our customers. The rail network lies at the heart of Tesco's distribution strategy to serve its ever-increasing stores network. Moving products by rail from suppliers and ports to national depots, whilst linking store deliveries to regional depots from the new Daventry grocery, encompasses the innovative rail concept. Rail has made a significant contribution in delivering a 50% reduction in Tesco's carbon emissions since 2006. Tesco are working in partnership with Stobart and other strategic suppliers to develop sustainable intermodal transport solutions that support a cleaner environment for all.